Welcome everyone! In this video I wanted to show the Comfyui extension called Follow Execution. The extension is part of the Comfyui Custom Node pack called Comfyui Custom Scripts by pythongosssss. To enable it, you right-click on the canvas and then select Follow Execution. Then, you hit the Q prompt and watch the canvas automatically move around and center itself on whichever node is executing. This can be handy when you have a very large complex workflow, and there is a node with a problem. By following execution, the workflow will stop and be centered on the node with the error. To disable the function and stop following execution, you can right-click on the canvas once again and select Stop Following Execution. The current node executing on screen is the large refiner and upscaler from Mars IT. The node combines the functionality of over 20 nodes into one. If you're looking for a useful and well-written node, it is available via the Comfyui. The node takes an image as input. This image will then be segmented into 9 overlapping pieces. Each piece is then upscaled, encoded into latent space, refined through a K-sampler and finally, decoded back to pixel space. At this point, the resulting upscaled and refined sections are stitched together and a mask applied to hide the seams. The image is then sent to the output. You have a choice to output the 9 individual sections to further process or edit within or outside Comfyui. And this is Follow Execution. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.